If that looks and sounds familiar to you, then you must have been doing woodworking or DIY for some time. So I'm going to use this one. For some reason I got attracted to these concentric circles that I'm seeing there. It's unique. I haven't seen one like this before, and I'm going to use these to make something nice. If you like videos like this where we're repurposing scraps of wood, I do have a playlist that I will put in the description, and you can check that out. Also, on the video that I'll be sharing next week, I'll be repurposing scraps of wood that I got from a sofa that I took apart. I'm using some scraps of the wood that I got from there to make something unique that I've seen sells for over $100 on Wayfair. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for that video next week. Okay, let's jump back into this build. I'm using 7/8 inch spade bits. I started off with a Forstner bit, and then I switched to a spade bit because it's a little bit longer and will work just fine. At this point, I'm realizing that I would have been better off using a drill press than doing this free-handed. But in case you don't have a drill press, this is something that you can build using a hand drill. The other thing I would do differently next time is to drill these holes on the sides before drilling the one at the top, because that will make for less tearing on the side and you will get a cleaner drilled hole than what you're seeing there. However, that will all be taken care of when we go to sanding this. So stick around in the end so you see how we fix this issue. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. If you have a family member or a friend who you think might like this video, please share it with them. Thank you. Hey there, I'm quickly reminding you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so and help me grow this channel. Thank you. I appreciate you. So I decided to go with a 6-inch height for this one, and it worked out perfectly. And so I'm just cutting out the extra piece, which that one I think I'll throw away. At this point, I want to quickly remind you that all you need is a little bit of faith and some action. After much sanding, it really looks smooth and nice. You can see the grains standing out there. And then I'm just going to use spring oak to stain it. You can use your choice of stain for this one. Once the stain has dried, I'm using a 3X polyurethane to just spray it down, since it might come in contact with water at some point. So the polyurethane will seal it well and prevent it from moisture damage. And that's it for this one. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, I hope you have a tangible experience of God's love today.